How to fix Gmail not loading on an Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail not loading on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and now just type Gmail and click on it and then click force stop. Now go to storage, click clear cache and then permissions, and now allow all of those permissions here, and then just go back and go to Play Store and then check if there's an update here and then update your Gmail, and after that go try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.